Hey, who are you? You can't be here. Hi, my name is Kait, and I am here to rehabilitate myself. Creepy. This is huge. No, honestly.
See if there's any more doors, because there might be one that's unlocked.
Not an alcoholic. Let me take the precautions I need to keep you sober. It's fine.
Oh, wonderful. No power.
Actually, you're scared, so... Okay, screw this.
I'm coming to find you. Where are you?
Follow my voice. Kait?
Didn't I just...
What?
They're on me downstairs. Tell me you heard a scream.
I heard something.
That's not possible.
Let me in, honey. Is this real? Olivia, is the power on where you are?
Yeah?
I know how to do it now. Let me try again.